So you see here, I had to drive all the way to Colorado in person because I had to get the VIN verified on my van so they knew that the car that I was trying to insure was indeed mine. I learned that you cannot do this over the phone. So after I had the VIN verified, then I was able to get the car registered in the state of Colorado, and then I was able to get this very finicky car insurance for my DIY van conversion. Our little ceiling's insulated. We use this gardening wire. Dad drilled holes in the wood and then just cut and fit to custom size and have a little dance. So are you first line it up out here, right? To the most outer point?
Yeah, but I gotta make it narrower and make it be just beautiful.
I'll finish.
Happy.
I love this gun.
All right, the jigsaw and the nail gun.
Near Cadillac, Tutson. Met Dean and his son.
What was his son's name?
I don't think we ever got that.
I heard him say it, but I don't remember.
And here we are.
Here we are.
Week, middle of August, and we're putting up the finished walls already. I think it's only our 7th or maybe our 10th day of working on this.
Yeah.
And Dad's a wizard, so we're already putting up the finished walls. But we're both tired.
Hannah's every bit of help.
And the luster for the build.
alright. I mean, if we have that little bit of a gap, it won't be the end of the world. But yeah.
I kind of feel like this spline piece is kind of like a waste of space.
If that spline piece wasn't in there, you'd see right through.
Oh.